Thomas. All done. I love the feeling of being sparkly clean after a good scrub.
Okay, Sandy, your turn.
No! I don't want to take a bath. Aww. Come on, Sandy. Don't you want to be clean and shiny like me? No. I like being muddy. It's my look. Besides, you're just going to get all dirty again. Maybe, but I'll make you a deal. If I can stay clean all day, then you have to take a bath. You are on. Hope you don't have any dirty deliveries today. Pigs? Oh, bolts. Bet you can't stay clean. I'm taking them to the farm. Not rolling in the mud with them. Good luck. Ah, what a bright, shiny, sparkling, clean day. Easy greasy. And I'm still clean as a whistle. Have fun in the mud. Whoa, Piggy, look out! Ah, bolts.
Thomas, what happened to you?
I fell in the mud, and I bet Sandy I'd stay clean all day. Yes, I knew I'd win.
Well, why didn't you take another bath before she sees you?
No, I have to tell her the truth. Are you looking for the winner? I'm right here. Huh?
You got a mud mustache.